Hello friends, welcome to Toppers Hub. Thank you for watching the first video of class 10th chemistry and thank you for giving good response. Today we will discuss class 9th mathematics and the first chapter is number system, and whatever the things which we will discuss today, already you have studied some few things like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Okay, still we will discuss this one. What are natural numbers? First one, natural numbers. All the counting numbers are called natural numbers. And natural numbers are represented by n, that is 1, 2, and natural n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And the least natural number is 1. Second one, whole numbers. All the natural numbers including 0, all the natural numbers including 0, that is called whole number, and these numbers, whole numbers are represented by w. Next one is integers. Integers, all the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 so on, 0 and including the negative numbers, that is called they are called integers, and they are represented by the letter z. Z means Jahlin. Z is for Jahlin, a German word that is to count. Next one is rational numbers. Rational numbers, the numbers of the form p by q. P and q are integers and q not equal to 0. These are called rational numbers, and rational numbers are represented by q. Now, just for example, 3 by 7, one rational number. 2 by 8, minus 2 by 8, one rational number. 4 by 7, 11 by 3, these are rational numbers. And rational numbers are represented by q. Why? Suppose if I am writing 6 by 2, then 3 is the quotient. After dividing, we are getting quotient. Therefore, rational numbers are represented by q. And suppose if I write 7 by 0, it is not a rational number, because here denominator q becomes 0. So always you must remember, a number in the form of p by q, p and q are integers and q not equal to 0, that is rational number. Next one is representation of rational numbers on a number line. Suppose I have few rational numbers like 2 by 3, 7 by 3, minus 3 by 5 and minus 8 by 5. How can I represent these rational numbers on a number line? First we'll look at 2 by 3. Now I have a number line. Here I have 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Now I look for the denominator. Denominator here 3. And suppose if you consider this 0 to 1, 1 to, these are each one segment. Then each segment will be divided into 3 parts. We'll make 3 parts of the segment. One part, 2 part and 3 parts. Here also I am going to make 1 part, 2 part, 1 part, 2 part, 3 parts. Okay. Now this becomes 0 by 3. It becomes 1 by 3. It becomes 2 by 3. Here I got the number 2 by 3 on the number line. Next one is 7 by 3. 7 by 3, in this case also we are going to divide each segment into 3 equal parts. Here it is 0 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, here 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means 2, and here it becomes 7 by 3. It can be also asked like this. Either it can be written like this, 7 by 3 or 2 whole 1 by 3. 2, 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Next one is minus 3 by 5. These numbers are positive numbers, so we represent this on the right side of the 0, but this is a negative number, negative rational number, so we'll show these numbers on the left side. Similarly, I am going to, here denominator is 5. 5 is the denominator, so I will divide it into 5 parts. Each segment will be divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I put 4 lines between 0 and minus 1, I am going to get 5 parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 parts, 4 part, 5 part. Now this is minus 0 by 5. It becomes minus 1 by 5. It becomes minus 2 by 5. Here it becomes 3 by 5. and I got the number minus 3 by 5. Next number is minus 8 by 3. When I have to represent minus 3 by 8, I will go for towards the left side. Here I am going to get minus 8 by 3, and in this case also I am going to divide each segment into 3 parts, and in order to divide into 3 parts I will make 2 lines between 0 and minus 1. 1, 2. Here also 2 lines, 1, 2. 1, 2. Now I am going to write here, it becomes 0 minus 0 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 3 by 3 means minus 1, minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3, minus 6 by 3, minus 6 by 3 means minus 2, minus 7 by 3 and minus 8 by 3. And here comes the rational numbers minus 8 by 3. Now we have represented all the rational numbers on the number line, 2 by 3, 7 by 3, minus 3 by 5 and minus 8 by 3. Next, equivalent rational numbers. Suppose I have a rational number 2 by 3 or 5 by 7. When both the numerator and denominator are multiplied by any natural number, let's say 7. I must multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same natural number 7. I am going to get 14 by 21. This 14 by 21 is an equivalent rational number of 2 by 3. Similarly, when here I have 5 by 7, if I am multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the same number, I am getting 40 by 56. This 40 by 56 is the equivalent rational number of 5 by 7. Similarly, I can get many rational numbers. Suppose 2 by 3 is there, I can also multiply 8. 16 by 24, another equivalent rational number of 2 by 3. Next one is simplest form of a rational number. Suppose I have a rational number, let's say 16 by 24. First, what I have to do, I am going to find out the SCF of 16 and 24. 2, 8, 12, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 2, 2. Now SCF becomes 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. Now I am going to divide both the numerator and denominator by 8. 16 divided by 8 and 24 divided by 8. I am getting 8 to the 16, 8. This is the simplest form. When both the numerator and denominator are divided by the same number, and we get a number in the form 2 by 3, p by q form, and this p and q, when numerator and denominator must be co-prime numbers. Numerator and denominator must be co-prime. Co-prime means two numbers are said to be co-prime if their common factor is 1. Let's say 8 and 9. Here I am writing the factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. And the factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. When I write the factors of both the numbers, the common factor is 1. Though both 8 and 9 are composite numbers, but their common factor is 1, therefore these two numbers are co-prime. So when a rational number is in the form of p by q, and p and q are co-prime, like 2 by 3 are co-prime, so it is in simplest.